The ATP and NADPH generated in the light-dependent reaction or the photophosphorylation are used in the Calvin cycle or the photosynthetic carbon reduction cycle for the assimilation of carbon dioxide to form a hexose. The entire process of Calvin cycle occurs in three basic stages. Let us consider the fixation of three molecules of carbon dioxide to form a triose phosphate via the Calvin cycle. In the first stage of carbon fixation or carboxylation, there is a condensation of carbon dioxide with the acceptor molecule of ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate, which is a typical 5-carbon compound. This forms two molecules of 3-phosphoglycerate, a 3-carbon compound. So for fixation of three molecules of carbon dioxide, we require three molecules of ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate, which results in the formation of 6 molecules of 3-phosphoglycerate, amounting to 18 carbon atoms. These then undergo the next step of reduction. In this step, there is first phosphorylation of 6 molecules of 3-phosphoglycerate with 6 molecules of ATP to form 6 molecules of 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate, which are then reduced by 6 molecules of NADPH and H+ to form 6 molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate in equilibrium with dihydroxyacetone phosphate, amounting to 18 carbon atoms. In the third stage of regeneration of these 6 molecules, the 5 molecules of triose phosphate amounting to 15 carbon atoms are used for the regeneration of the 3 molecules of RUBP amounting to 15 carbon atoms. There is an intermediate formation of ribulose 5-phosphate, which is phosphorylated with 3 molecules of ATP to bring back the 3 molecules of ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate, which is the starting material for the Calvin cycle. The 6th molecule of this triose phosphate is the net product of the photosynthesis, and this can be utilized for making a hexose, and this hexose can later on be used as a fuel, as a building material, to form sucrose for the transportation or to tissues that are not performing photosynthesis or to formation of starch that can be stored. Thus, Calvin cycle is a cyclical process where there is a continuous conversion of carbon dioxide to triose phosphates and hexose phosphates.